If you are building AI agents on n8n or you are just learning how you can build AI agents on n8n, then I have a good and a bad news for you today. Let's start from the bad one. Claude has rolled out its Opus 4 model with the capabilities of building AI agents on n8n by just giving few lines of prompts. You can define what you want to build and the agent will build for you on n8n. Your hundreds of hours of learning how you can build agent on n8n is now automated. Your job is outdated before you even started into the n8n. Now any business person can build those AI agents that you charge hundreds of dollars by just giving few lines of prompts, and these AI agents are production ready AI agents. Now before you get disheartened, let me tell you the good news. There is no doubt that Opus 4 model is highly capable and build AI agents, but if your concept with AI is very clear, then you can build faster AI agents and you can deploy faster with more clients and with more revenue. Now in this video, I'll teach you how you can build AI agents using Claude Opus 4 model. So without further ado, let's get started. Now here we are at Claude Opus 4 model, which is the hybrid reasoning model that can build AI agents not just on n8n, but it can build AI agents directly on code using frameworks like LangChain, AutoGen, and Claude.ai. So this is one of the most powerful model I have seen, and now the hours you spend learning about n8n has been automated. But there is always, when a gate closes, there is some new frontiers that always opens up. So let's see about the Claude Opus 4. Now, as you come to the use cases, it is our most intelligent model to date, pushing the frontier in coding, agentic search, and creative writing. So not just in agentic search, but in coding and creative writing. Then it has the capabilities of building agents. So Claude Opus 4 delivers state-of-the-art performance on complex agent application with strong results on TAU benchmark, exceptional accuracy. So it's not about the simple workflow I'm talking about, but the complex agent that you build on n8n, and then you spend tens of hours in building those complex agents and configuring them, you can build those complex agents on Claude Opus 4. There's no doubt that you need to buy a subscription for that, but it's a very small amount that you pay for that value you get. Now let's directly come to the Claude and let's see how we can build the agent. So I'm here. Now the first thing you need to do is that you need to create a project here. So you will be creating a project. So as you come down, you will see use a project. Now I'm here. I will be creating a start new project. So this is the projects. These are the few projects I have created already. Now let's start from this first one. So this is a n8n workflow building AI agent. This creates production ready AI agent on n8n. Now we have created the project. So as you created a project, you will see all your projects created here. Now I'm here right now. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to provide it the system prompt, okay? Because this is still a very generalized now, but you need to provide it a system prompt that how you want to create a project. Now I have already created that, so I'm taking the details of it. Now I have created this project, but I need to give it prompt. So how would I give that? So as you come here and you click to this part, you will see a set project instructions. So you always need to provide it instruction, the system prompt, that accordingly it will be performing the task. So I have created this already and I'm copying down directly here from. So these are the context prompts I have created already. So this is not a very generic, but if you see that you are an AI agent responsible for generating fully functional, importable n8n workflow in JSON file from natural language task descriptions, the context, I have decided the key behavior, output role, etc. You can define the same, and the major thing that you define is that you need to define that it should be creating the agent with the sticky notes. So I have mentioned that the sticky note should be there so that I can know how the workflow actually works, what nodes are there and how they will be performing. So I'm copying the instruction, I'm coming into the system prompts, and I have copied there and I have saved the system instruction right there. Now this is ready to go. I want to build an agent that automate my content on Instagram. This agent needs to get content from recent AI news and then craft the content into a reel and post it on Instagram. Now I have prompted it, and this is the complex I can give because there is a lot of API configuration is required. So I have given a kind of complex workflow. Now you can define more details, but let's see how their actual complex workflow works. So the prompt I have given is not very highly now the prompts I have given are not very precise, but you always needs to give it a precise prompts. Now you can see it has created an agent that can be imported directly on n8n. Understand the complexity it is dealing with, and it has created the agent. This is going to take the job of a lot of people. I'm pretty sure about it. This is how it is working. Can you just see? It is creating the AI agent directly done. Now I can save this data directly to JSON. I have copied it. Now let's go to the file and let's import it into the n8n. Now I ask it to provide me the JSON file into the downloadable format, and it is creating the format into the downloadable format. Now I can download this JSON directly. So let's wait for the file to be downloaded. It's done. It is still writing it. So we have downloaded it. This is a JSON file and it is saved. Now I am here at my n8n workflow, and let's import it directly here. So I can come here and import the direct file. Now you can see the JSON file directly over here. This one. Can you see it? The workflow has been imported. This is how you can create even complex workflows, even complex AI agents. And now you just need to configure it and you will be able to post the content. So this is how this fetches our AI news. Then select the best article, generate the real script, structure the content, log errors, check video exists, post to Instagram. All is being automated. What you need to do is you just need to use the Claude, and then you will be able to build these type of complex workflows. So this is how you can build AI agents on n8n. Now you don't need to learn n8n, you just need to configure it. Now you can build faster, deploy faster, and have more clients, and you can scale your business faster than ever. But remember that your skills should not be like on the surface level. You need to go deeper. You need to understand the deep concept of AI, and then you can sell the system that actually works. Because these type of AI solution, people will be able to build it by just giving prompts. So you need to have the edge that people don't have, so that the businesses can pay you heavily for the solution that you are building. So I'll see you in the next video. I'm coming up with another video where I'll be talking about how you can take your approach in AI automations. I'll see you in the next video.